Hello and welcome back to another episode of Testimonials Teardown, the show where we look at top brands and see how effectively they use testimonials, reviews, and use cases. For today's episode, we have the #1 email automation platform out there for online creators, and that is Convertkit. They do a phenomenal job with their customer proof, so let's dive in and check it out. You don't have to scroll far before you hit an awesome block of customer proof. Here they highlight musicians, authors, podcasters, and coaches. I love the use of the bubble that says used by creators like you to build affinity. Then you see a quote, strong, clean visuals of the person giving the quote, and a powerful CTA. This is the best use of CTAs I've seen thus far in the series. If you click on any of the tabs, you get a testimonial and then a specific CTA for that industry. That's smart. If you scroll down more, you get a toggle of images of people using the platform. You see they're claiming to have over 400,000 people on the platform, and it gives you an easy CTA to read case studies on them. Let's check out these case studies. Nice, clean visuals and result-focused headlines. The case studies go in depth and highlight not only her process, but do so in a way that is human. I also love that they use a CTA here inside the case study that says grab this landing page template. Again, smart. Jumping back to the homepage, a little down from the conveyor belt of customer proof is perhaps the most impressive part of all, the creator stories. When I click into one of these, I love that they give me the option to read, watch, or listen. I have never seen that before, and it's incredibly customer-centric. When I click watch, I get directed to a professional grade video that tells a powerful story about the customer's transformation. They then use these videos on YouTube where they get hundreds of thousands, some even millions of views from this customer proof. Then I can either watch more episodes or there's a CTA at the bottom to get a creator pack. Not only is the website phenomenal, but on YouTube they get huge reach out of their customer stories. If you opt into their newsletter or start a trial, they also use customer proof here. Overall, I would give Convertkit an A+. An A+. Usually this is the portion of the show where I do the breakdown, I talk about the pros and the cons, but this team does everything right, guys. They have excellent use of video. They have excellent use of testimonials with strong calls to action. They use prominent logos. They have a high volume of reviews. All of the fundamentals this team is following. So if you're looking for that gold standard, look no further than Convertkit. Join us next time for another episode of Testimonials Teardown.